Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. You want to know how to take something that's rusted and busted and make it look brand new? Well, my friend, then you need Whink Rust Stain Remover. I don't know what's in this. Maybe magic little rust scrubbers perhaps, but it works so well anytime I have anything that's rusted. This is my go-to. The most recent project that I used this on was an old bird feeder that my mom had given to me, and it really did a nice job at removing the rust. Literally all you do is spray and let it soak. The instructions say 60 seconds, but I will tend to let it soak for a little bit longer. You can agitate it a little bit too to help, but sometimes that's not even needed. Just the soaking does the trick. You might need to spray it a couple times too, depending on how heavy the rust is, because it does come off in layers. So if you have anything that needs a little TLC in your home, you should definitely give this a try. It's always worked really well for me. And that's my point of view.